So again guys, this is scenario number 4, different GMT. Port of departure, Busan Port, Korea. GMT of positive 9. Estimated time of departure is 27th of April 2020. At the time of 0130 hours. Port of arrival, Vancouver Port, Canada. With a GMT of negative 3. The distance between these two ports is 4,633 nautical miles. Average speed is 11.5 knots. So again, we need to find the estimated time of arrival or R eta. Again, using our secret weapon, triangle, which is our DST, we need to find the steaming time again. So, cover this letter T. So, we will know what is are using. So T is equals to distance over speed. Our distance is equivalent to 4,633 as of our given. And our speed is 11.5 knots also from our given. So we need it to divide 4,633 divided by 11.5 is equal to 402 is equals to 402.87. We will divide it by 24 again to know what is our day, hour, and minutes. So 402.87 divided by 24 is equal to 16 days. So we have a days. So 16 times 24 is equal to 384. That we will subtract to our 402. So 402.87 minus 384 is equal to 18.87. So we have a time of hour of 18 hours and 87.87. We need to multiply by 60 to get our minutes. 0.87 times 60 is equal to 52 minutes. So our steaming time is 16 days, 18 hours, and 52 minutes. So again, using our equation, which is ETD of local time, zone description, separate, and ETD GMT steaming time, separate, ETA GMT, again zone description, separate, and ETA for local time. So given again our estimated time of departure, which is our local time, is 27th of April 2020 at 0:30 hours. Our zone description is positive 9, that will become negative 9, that will become subtract to our time of 0900 hours. So it cannot be again. So 130 hours, it will not be subtracted to 0900 hours because 0900 hours is greater than 130 hours. So we need to borrow again 1 day. So 26th of April, it will become 26th of April 2020 at 130 hours. It will become 25 because 24 plus 1 is equals to 25. And we need to subtract. So 26th of April 2020 with a time of 2530 hours minus 0900 hours is equals to 1630 hours. 1630 hours. With our steaming time is 16 days, 18 hours, and 52 minutes. So we need again to sum up. So 26 plus 16 is 42 minus 30 is 12. 12 of May 2020 and 1630 hours plus 1852 hours is 34,882 3482 hours. With a zone description of -3 in the given, as you can see in the given, -3, we'll put it there. We will not reverse it, so we minus it here. So 0300 hours, it will become 12 of May 2020 with a time of 31,802 3,182 hours. We have not done yet because 82 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. So we will have a minus here by 60 and it will become 12 of May 2020 30 with a time of 32 and 3,222 hours. And we will also not done yet because it exceed 24 hours. 32 exceed 24 hours, so we'll have to subtract 24 hours here and it will become 12 of May 2020 with a time of 3,222 hours minus 2,400 hours is equals to 0,822 hours. It will become 13 rather. It will become 13 because we transfer 1 day here. So it will become 0,822 hours. So this is our ETA for local time. Our estimated time of arrival local time is 13th of May 2020 with a time of 0822 hours.